The juicy Chinese ham and colorful round fruits for Christmas Eve. They're part of tradition, so people make last-minute visits to Quiapo and Divisoria 2 days before Christmas. The Christmas rush is driving up sales. A positive sign the economy is on the mend. And this ham store can feel it.
Hindi naman namin inaasahan na ganito yung mangyayari. Kasi di ba pandemic, siyempre ina-expect namin yung tao kaunti lang kasi hindi pwedeng lumabas ng ano. Kaya nagulat din kami. Nagbigay kami ng distancing bawat isa, tapos nagbigay kami ng mga pagpasok doon, pag-exit, may mga sanitizer kami, lahat, kumpleto kami. Para naman maiwasan natin yung pandemic.
The hustle and bustle keeps authorities busier than usual to keep everyone safe from the virus.
Yung yantok, bali ano lang yun panukat lang yun. Isa yun sa panukat para makita na hindi kayo nagdidikit-dikit.
In Divisoria, street vendors have returned, hoping to earn this season. But they scamper away at the sight of police officers who could confiscate their wares.
May nanguli po. Nasa karsada ho kami.
Economic managers say when consumers feel safe, the economy will get back in shape. But something else is motivating consumers to again spend.
Para naman po sa mga anak ko din, para masaya naman kahit may pandemic.
Para mabigyan ng magandang kasiyahan.
The pandemic has wiped out millions of jobs and income, but no matter how little's left of them, the coronavirus can never steal the Filipino spirit of giving, especially this Christmas. Lois Calderon, CNN Philippines.